Hey, what's up you guys? It's me, Lily, and welcome. I don't have that long to get ready today because I'm going to be going to work earlier than I usually do, so I'm going to try to do something semi-fast. I saw something on Instagram that was basically just like a deep blue cut crease with some stars and a moon on it with some gold. I think that I'm going to do something similar, probably with my yellow NYX liner. So yeah, to start, we're just going to go in with the eyebrows like usual. Eyebrows are done. Now I'm going to go in with my Revolution cut crease in Halo. I'm now going to go into the crease using this blue right here from the James Charles palette. Going in with the same white to do my cut crease. I'm going to be doing an eyeliner made out of the same dark blue eyeshadow, so for that I'm just going to put tape by the base of my eye so that there's no fallout. Using my NYX Vivid Bright liner, I'm going to go ahead and do the stars and the moon shapes. Now I'm going to do my lashes, conceal and contour. I have pink stained on my forehead from yesterday. Not surprised. Per usual, I'm going to set with my Airspun Loose Powder, NARS Orgasm X for blush. I'm going to set it, and then I'm going to go in with my Nicole Guerrero highlighter. For lips, I'm going to be going in with Commando by Kylie, and then I'm going to finish my bottom lashes. This is today's final look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave a like or a comment, maybe even a subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.